Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to send USDT from your Coinbase wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring tokens smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. You'll need your Coinbase account verified and your Arculus wallet address copied. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and locate your USDT balance. It's usually under the Assets or Portfolio section. Step 2. Once you're on the USDT page, click on the Send or Transfer button. This will open a form where you'll enter the recipient's details. Step 3. Paste your Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Remember, wallet addresses are case sensitive, so ensure it's exact. If you're unsure, verify it in your Arculus app. Step 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. Coinbase might charge a small network fee, especially on the Ethereum blockchain, since USDT is often ERC20 based. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time. If all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Coinbase security settings, like two-factor authentication. Step 6. Sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's confirmed, you can check your Arculus wallet to see the USDT arrive. And that's it. You've successfully sent USDT between wallets. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Arculus for better protection. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.